Hello, this is Scott over at Apple Chevrolet here in Tinley Park, Illinois. Here today to show off one of the best deals currently on our pre-owned vehicle lot. This is a 2018 Ford Fiesta. This vehicle is just a couple of years old and has less than 34,000 miles on it. And you can enjoy up to 35 miles per gallon with the fuel-efficient 4-cylinder engine. You can save over $2,600 off the market value of this vehicle, meaning you can get into a like-new vehicle here at Apple Chevy for just over $11,500. On top of that, you will still have multiple years of coverage from the factory warranty on this vehicle, which means that your investment will be protected for the long run. In the interior, we can see that it was well kept and is still very clean. There is a user-friendly dashboard and radio entertainment system. If there are any questions about this vehicle or any other vehicle on our lot here at Apple Chevy, please don't hesitate to reach out to our sales department. We can be reached at 708-429-3000. That's 708-429-3000, or online at applechevy.com. Thank you.